Hi to everybody, welcome to another C&D Adventures video. This time we're in Britain's strictest village, and this is Wentworth in South Yorkshire in Rotherham. So I've just parked up and I'm walking down Main Street in village, although there is quite a lot of traffic. That's another thing what spoils village, is the amount of traffic that goes through it. It is somewhere that I've been coming all my life, as I was brought up quite near. It's a beautiful village though, this. Gorgeous old buildings, full of history. And it also has one of the largest houses in Europe, never mind the UK. And it does make Buckingham Palace look small. So this street, well this square here is Paradise Square. I'd love that house at the top. So I'm just heading down to the village bakery, as I've heard a lot about that. So I'm going to get some breakfast, have a walk up towards the church and find a bench. So that's a nice pub, Georgian Dragon. I've been in for a bit there. So I've got my breakfast, I'm walking up to the church, going to look for a bench. So Wentworth itself, it does go back quite a long time. In Wentworth Woodhouse they even had a British Prime Minister who lived there. But Wentworth also has two churches. So we've just come out of the new church. So if you follow the road round, the sound of the birds is beautiful. So just down here you've got the old church and a little squirrel there. So this is the old church. Let's see if it's open. So as you can see, part of it is not in the best condition. Although this bit, if it's open, you can actually go in it. What we're saying, open or closed. It's shut. Let's have a look round here. Some really old graves in this graveyard. So just walking down from church down this long lane, we're actually originally from the house up to the church. Now if you want to follow it straight down, which you can't because of that big wall at the end, that'd take you into Wentworth Garden Centre, which is quite a good garden centre if you've not been. So I'm not going to end there, but if you do go to end and turn right, walk up a little bit and the garden centre's on your left. I'm going to cut through here back into the village. So as you come out, you're back onto the main road, but straight across from the gate you will find the old post office. Oh, we've got some bluebells out as well. So back into the village, back onto the main road. That pub there is Rockingham Arms. Had a few pints in there and all in my time. So I'm going to cross. Oops, maybe not. There we cross now. Do to get back to the car. Go down here. Through here. So they've got quite a big beer garden here for a little village pub, and it does get busy in summer. It does look like it's going to rain now though. So I'm going to call it a day for now. So if you look straight through, you're into the car park. You used to have to pay here, but I think it's free now. I've not seen any parking meters out. So yeah, back at car. I'll get home and do a bit of editing. Thanks for watching.